This is the 18th already of December 2024, so really getting closer to that new year. And in this moment, we're starting a new day, breathing in, breathing out, continuing to breathe in and breathe out. Surround the body with a container of light below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. And continuing to breathe, opening up any spaces in the body that are tight and cranky and shut down by breathing in consciously, pausing, breathing out consciously, pausing. And as you breathe in, imagine you're bringing in fresh new chi force, life force, prana, because you are, into all the sections of the body through the chakras. As you breathe out, let go of anything you don't need to be fully present here in this moment. Breathing in, pausing, breathing out, finding that rhythm, and imagining that container of light around the body. Make it real for yourself. Visualize it below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. Breathing in, breathing out, and dropping your attention to the root chakra, visualizing the root at the tailbone, the red energy, the pelvic floor, and continuing to breathe. Visualize the orange chakra, the sexual center at the belly, at the navel area, sacral chakra, and breathing in, moving up to the solar plexus chakra, located at your solar plexus, right under the edge of your breastbone there, yellow. Feeling those first three chakras aligning, red, orange, yellow. Breathing in, coming up to the heart chakra, the green, in the center of the chest. Continuing your Samavriti breath. Breath in, pause. Breath out, pause. And from the heart, we move to the throat chakra, the blue energy, continuing to breathe, and the indigo energy at the third eye, and the violet to white light at the crown. And feeling those chakras opening, and the chi force, the prana that you're breathing in, coming in and distributing energy to all areas of the body. So imagine all those 7 chakras are bringing prana and life force into all the spaces of your body. Breathing in, breathing out. And with that container of light around the body, getting stronger and stronger in your awareness of it, with your awareness of your chakras, strengthening those chakras as they align, and as you consciously breathe in, noticing them, and noticing what you notice, focusing on that breath, that prana, that life force, that chi, breathing in and breathing out. And continuing to breathe, we'll go ahead and say our invocation for 2024. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I let go of worrying about the future. I'm aware, I'm awake. I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I let go of worrying about the future. I am aware, I am awake. I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I let go of worrying about the future. I am aware, I am awake. I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. And continuing to breathe, consciously breathing in, pausing, breathing out. Drop your attention to the base chakra, to the tailbone area, to the pelvic area, breathing in red, and imagine filling that entire container of light with red energy now, concentrating on grounding yourself and bringing the energy down the legs to the bottom of the feet, through the center of the bottom of your feet, those chakras there, and connecting to the new healed whole Mother Earth. You can mentally repeat as you continue to breathe, focusing on the red energy. I am fully grounded. I am fully grounded to the new healed whole Mother Earth. I am fully supported by the new healed whole Mother Earth. And breathing in and breathing out, and get that red chakra to resonate. Breathing in, breathing out, and we'll just draw that energy in with a low-toned Om to wake it up, a low tone of Om. And the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra for the root chakra is Lam. So we'll chant that after the Om. Ready? Om Lam Lam Lam. Visualizing that red. Let's wake up that chakra. Move around on your sits bones. Feel the bottoms of your feet connecting to the floor. Om Lam Lam Lam. Breathing in and out. Feeling yourself grounded to the new healed home, Mother Earth, supported by the new healed home, Mother Earth. Go ahead and breathe in orange now. And imagine that red vibration shifting to an orange vibration and feeling the frequency of creation, of the inner child, of kind of a happiness and a creative force there. And this is at the navel area, in the mid-lower back. Breathing in kidney to kidney, hip to hip. Breathe in that orange energy. And it's a medium toned Om to wake it up, to exercise it. And the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Vam. Om Vam Vam Vam. Om Vam Vam Vam. Breathing in and out, feeling those two lower chakras. You're grounded, you're feeling creative and happy and calm, and you're going to come up to the solar plexus. That's above the navel, about 1.5 inches. It's yellow in energy, so start breathing in that yellow energy, feeling it in the center of the solar plexus there, spreading out under your rib cage, and really feeling powerful. So you can mentally repeat, I am confident, I am powerful, I am empowered, I am worthy. So sense of self-worth here. So you might want to chant that a little bit, and notice the places where you don't feel worthy. Just bring that soothing yellow sunshine energy in, breathing out. In the few minutes that we've started this call, a sun has kind of come up after gray days and rainy days, and the sun just came in and shined right on this beautiful danka of medicine Buddha I have hanging on the wall. And there's a lot of yellow in it, and it just really brightened up. It was really kind of neat. So breathing in and out, mentally repeating, I am worthy. It's a higher toned Om, and the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra for the solar plexus is Rama, Rama. Breathing in, Om, Ram. 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 And doing that one more time, really just feeling that confidence and breathing it in. Om Ram Ram Ram. Breathing in and breathing out. Feeling that breath moving through the body, opening things up. You have the first 3 chakras, your foundation chakras, the ones that deal with your everyday life, your presence in the world, your interactions, how you move your energy into the world, feeling them glowing and aligned, rooted in the red and spinning in the orange and the yellow, radiating and getting ready to come up to the bridge chakra, to the heart, in the center, the green energy. Ah, that's our exercise sound. Ah, really open up the jaw as you express that out of the body with your breath. Ah, green energy in the center of the chest, the divine feminine, the empress on the throne, the heart, the healer. Ah, yum is the one syllable Sanskrit mantra. Ah, yum. Ah, yum. Ah, yum. And really opening up the jaw as you express the sound and feel the green energy running through your body. Ah, yum. And filling your container of light. Ah, yum. With love and acceptance, you can start to maybe mentally repeat, I love and accept myself exactly as I am. I love and accept you exactly as you are. Ah, yum. And just feeling that sense of love and well-being while you visualize someone that you do love, some things that you do love. Sunshine. Ah, yum. And really feeling that loving energy spread into your heart. And then maybe you can generously spread it to all beings in your neighborhood, your community, and maybe even spread it to those that you are not feeling very happy with. Ah, yum. Ah, yum. So the heart chakra, the bridge, leads us up to the blue of the throat chakra, and those next 3 chakras that really start to connect us with the outer world. Hum. So H-U-M, hum. We use the lion breath to clear this. What is the lion breath? Paws flare up, so your forearms are facing out, your elbows are pointing down, and you're flaring up your paws when the hum comes, and you're bringing your tongue out to your chin. Hum! And put some energy into it. Move that muscle of the tongue. Hum! Hum! And it's the blue energy, the blue of the sky, the blue of my cat's eyes, who just jumped up in my lap. Hum! Hum! And breathing in and breathing out, clearing the throat chakra, opening your communication skills to your heart energy, using the 1 syllable Sanskrit mantra, which is also hum, but we chant it. So let's chant. Hum, 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 hum. Hum, hum, hum. And continuing to breathe, you're probably feeling stronger and lighter and energy moving through your bodies now. Curl your toes, move around in your sits bone and ground that feeling of light into your heart and into your body. Breathing in, breathing out, we move from the throat chakra to the 3rd eye. I like to hold the palms open and up at this time. And take a moment to feel gratitude, to visualize all those things we have to be grateful for. Oh, the sunshine coming in. This new day. You have a new day to be a new you, to make choices coming from the highest good. Gratitude for your breath and breathing and your ability to be here with your chakras. So many things to be grateful for. I also like to visualize my teachers and guides and guardians at this point. Thank you, thank you. Breathing in and out. The color is the indigo color for the 3rd eye. The exercise is the high-pitched ee. And the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Sham for the third eye. Ready? Sham, 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 sham. And breathing in and breathing out. Sham, sham, sham. And let's do the exercise again. Visualizing the indigo filling your container of light. Palms up. Ready? Sham, 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 sham. Now we come to the crown chakra. That is the purple, the amethyst, the violet color that goes all the way to the white light, streaming up from the top of your head and connecting you to the universal force, to the God force, the goddess force, the guides, the guardians, the angels, the ascended masters, the galactic force. So connecting to that highest possible source, however you do. The exercise, while you visualize that purple amethyst going all the way up to pure white light and reaching heaven's force, is wah, from low to high, wah, 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 wah. And when you get to the highest note, go as high as you can and just let it die into the ethers, so you can still maybe heal it with your vibrational ears. And be still. Set your intention. Ready? And in that stillness, receive back that spark of faith, of light, of hope, of peace from the universe itself in a shower of light that returns your way. And we'll do it one more time. Ready? Keeping those palms open to receive. And breathing in and breathing out. Receiving back. Setting your intentions for the week before we go into the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra for the crown chakra, which is Om. And so we'll go ahead and tone Om 3 times. The first to seal the practice, connecting with the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra for the crown. The second, embracing those who are listening to this, whether it's on a recording or live in this moment. And the third, to just bring that joy out into the world like a pebble in a pool. Bring that peace out. Bring that sense of connection out there into the world. Connection to spirit. Ready? Om.